Dear brothers and sisters, we all know that Jesus performed a number of miracles during his life, during the ministry. And the evangelists, Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John, has told us about the miracles in the form of stories and in a context and an environment. Today's miracle, St. Mark tells us, in an environment. We see that the miracle is performed in a Gentile land. This tells us, or this gives us something to reflect upon. Jesus told time and again, the apostles, I have come not just for the Jews, but for others as well. Because my love, my mission is not for you only, but for everyone. God's love is inclusive, does not leave anyone outside. Perhaps we could ask ourselves, is our love inclusive? And how do we show that our love is inclusive? Perhaps we may reflect on this and ask ourselves, do I love everyone, not just my family members, the relations, those around me, those who do not like me, those who hate me, those who come in the path of my moving ahead, those who put blocks in my enterprise, and so on. We ask God today the grace that we follow the path of Jesus, who in a way went out to meet everyone, showed his love for everyone, and did not exclude even his enemies.